Hey guys, Randall over here at Vaughn Ford. I just wanted to take a quick second, show you something I thought was really cool. Ford Accessories makes a ton of different things for your F-150. This one right here kind of caught my eye, make your life a lot easier. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It's called the box side step. You can add these to any F-150 made in the last few years. So basically, this thing makes your life a lot easier to get into the bed of the truck right here. It's always hard to reach something in the back. All you gotta do is give it out, give it a little touch, comes out, makes it easy to get up and get in that bed right there. Nice and easy to grab. You just shove it back and it locks right back in. You can get those on both sides. I love this blue jean color they come out with. It's beautiful. You can get that put on both sides. You can grab you a pair of these, put on your F-150 for about 350, 370 bucks. Just one of the many accessories they make. I thought it was pretty cool. Want to let y'all know. Y'all got any questions, need anything, y'all holler at me at Randall at Vaughn Ford, 318-880-5112. Y'all give me a call.